We've had yet another fine and hot day over the western part of the country, with a ridging high pushing in moisture over the eastern part of South Africa, even resulting in some light rain and drizzle, but with very little thunderstorm activity on Sunday afternoon. Here on our futurecast, you'll see how the cloud remains in the forecast over the far northeastern part of the country right the way into the start of the work week, with a few thundershowers over the interior, particularly over the central parts, and yet another sizzling hot day over the western part of the country. Here's our rainfall probability map for tonight, with up to a 40% chance of rain extending from southeastern Limpopo through to the Eastern Cape, and then west of that we're still keeping in the chance of thundershowers, especially with that moisture still over that part of South Africa. In the west though, we have a dry forecast, and after a jam-packed day in the Cape Peninsula, we're expecting clear conditions overnight with a southerly to southeasterly wind of up to 35 kilometers per hour and a minimum temperature of 17 degrees. Then tomorrow it's a toasty Monday at 36 with a southeasterly wind of up to 20 kilometers per hour and a predominantly sunny forecast. Here's our wind map with windy conditions along the south coast on Sunday evening. As we head into Monday, you'll see a light northwesterly wind move in along the west coast as a coastal low makes its way through. We have an onshore component to the wind for the KwaZulu-Natal and Eastern Cape coast, and you can see those wind speeds picking up along the Eastern Cape coast on Monday afternoon. Overnight, we're forecasting a minimum of 13 degrees for Johannesburg, 15 for Bloemfontein, 14 as we head into De Aar, 18 for Uppington and Port Elizabeth, 17 for East London and Mahikeng, 19 degrees along the KZN coast, and the mid-teens for Pretoria and Bombela. Then in the afternoon, we're forecasting a high of a sizzling 40 degrees for Uppington, 33 for Kimberley and De Aar, 26 for Johannesburg, 28 for Pretoria and Mahikeng, Bombela topping 24. 27 for Richards Bay and George, 30 degrees for Graaff-Reinet, and a high of 26 for East London and Durban. Then on Tuesday, we're still expecting a few isolated thundershowers over the interior, with a chance of rain for Richards Bay at 28, but with a partly cloudy and warm to hot day along South Africa's coastline. Still quite a bit of cloud on Wednesday, but a few thundershowers forecast for the northwest and Gauteng, and that chance of rain moving in along the Eastern Cape coast, with another hot day for Cape Town at 33 degrees.